think we should put just a little bit of water mixed with the fabric softener. Thank you, Boons. Thank you, thank you. Is that okay, guys? Water? Can I put a little water to loosen up the fabric softener? Loosen it up so it's not that weird consistency. Okay, I'm gonna go grab some water. Yeah, it's almost like fabric softener needs water to act right. Cocoa bottle full of it. So see how it does that? Like that creaminess? He has a bell on his neck. He's tiny. Ooh, that's a good question at the end. What did this say? What am I gonna say? He's a little, some of the back. Oh, thank you, Bella. Thank you. Oh, I saved some of that stuff when I was on my break. I put some in a jug. I thought that I was gonna use it for that the tote, but hey, we'll use it here. Thank you, Jilzy. Yeah, I figured that probably needed some liquid in it, but this needs it more. Thank you so much. Well, I was thinking we would do a rinse, but if we did a rinse, it would just be a regular rinse because I don't have any more products. I'll put everything in. But I do actually have a, we won't put that in. Splat. I'm going to put the rest of that bottle in. Oh, we go, guys. Here, let me mix this up so that we can do our cans. We can do some powder bomb, sure. No, the cans are not all in. We gotta put 60 cans in our tote. So that's definitely gonna be a powder mountain. But they're all open already, so. Hi, Chica. know what's weird? It almost feels like the water got hotter. We'll come to this other side over here. The hottest part of the day is going away now. Starting to have a breeze again. Nice. Okay guys, I can't see the screen at all, so if you're asking me anything, I'm probably gonna miss it. I'm at the other side and my iPad is on the other side of the pool. It still feels hot. And sponges. Let me check on you guys. What you guys think of ignoring you? Oh heck no, I couldn't do it on the ground. I couldn't be sitting. Hold on, because I don't know why it didn't have these bugging me. Yeah, it's on the table. The outside table. Ooh, it's so hot underneath. It's crazy. Okay, say less, guys. I want to have more water. This is the one time when I'm glad you like it. I didn't want this to be boring water. Yeah, he never stops, Ari. He never stops. Are you sure, Laura? But I would feel like a failure. And that one, we definitely have enough space in that one. That one should be fine. The cans tote. just gonna get this kind of smoothed out and then move you guys to the cans tote, since people keep asking about cans. Just change it up. Hello. Yeah, you can see in just a minute. I'm about to switch to the cans tote. So I'll show you, Charlie. They stir it up. I want some cans. And this table is low, so it's making my shoulder and neck burn. Shoulder and neck burn. Okay, let's move to the cans.